In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify buy buttons. Start by adding the buy button sales channel inside your Shopify admin. Look for the plus icon beside sales channels and click it. From the list that appears, choose buy button and select add channel. Once added, you'll see buy button appear in the left-hand navigation. That's where you'll build and manage everything. Now create your actual buy button. Open the buy button channel and click Create a buy button. You'll be offered a choice between creating a button for a single product or for a whole collection. Pick the option that fits your goal, then select the specific product or collection from your catalog. Choosing a single product keeps the experience focused, while a collection button is great when you want to feature a curated group of items. With a product or collection selected, it's time to customize your button using the Buy Button editor. Start with layout options. Change the overall style, adjust image size, and set alignment so the button fits your page design. Move on to the action settings and decide what happens when someone clicks the button. You can have the button add the item to cart, send shoppers directly to checkout, or open product details for more information. Each choice has a different user flow. Direct to checkout speeds purchases, add to cart is more flexible, and open product details helps shoppers learn more before they buy. Next, customize the visual style so the button matches your brand. Adjust colors, corner radius, and text font and size for a cohesive look. There are also advanced settings where you can control checkout behavior, such as opening the checkout in a new tab or as a pop-up. Use those options thoughtfully, depending on how you want visitors to interact with your store and how your site is structured. When you're happy with the design, click Next to generate the HTML code. Click Copy Code to copy it to your clipboard. Paste this code into the HTML editor of the web page where you want the buy button to appear. If you're using WordPress, place it in a custom HTML block. On Wix, use the HTML code widget. For Shopify blogs, switch to the Show HTML view of your post and paste there. Save your changes and preview the page to confirm everything looks and behaves as expected. A quick tip. Test the button on desktop and mobile and try different action settings to find the best checkout flow for your audience. That's it. You're ready to sell with Shopify buy buttons.